Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video. Medyo uncomfortable mag-vlog using this medical mask. So, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of this Breathe Sports Pro Tiny Tan Edition. This is the Breathe Sports Pro face mask. It's multifunction. It has UV protection, it has anti-dust, and it's washable. And it's tiny tan. So, kung di nyo naman tiny tan, Jai, BTS fan ka ba talaga? So as I said earlier, it's anti-dust, anti-UV, anti-odor, it's breathable, washable, and fashionable. Bagay kahit saan. And here we go. I-unbox ko na siya. This actually comes with two things inside, which is the mask and a necklace. So kung ayaw nyo nilalapag nyo kung saan-saan, it has a necklace. And one of the coolest things about the Breathe Sports Pro is that it's fully sealed when you get it. So, alam nyong safe talaga siya and ready to use. So, ayan na. Bubuksan ko na. I'm so excited for this, actually. One of the things that I do like about this kinds of mask is that breathable talaga siya. And this is not the first mask I've tried. This is the only mask that is Tiny Tan inspired. So, maganda siya gamitin for every day. Besides from, the usual outings na pupunta ako sa work, I can also use this while, I'm doing exercises. So, malalang ako mag-exercise, pero dahil naglalakad ako lagi, so kailangan ko talaga. So, this is the necklace, and the coolest thing about this is, it's stretchy. So, walang problema. The Breathe Sports Pro will protect your breath during any outdoor activities with its premium technology application. It has three applications: the outer layer, or the aerosol, which has UV protection and lasting breathability; the functional layer, or supercell, which is a washable functional fabric that is easy to breathe, blocks harmful substances from outside, and protects the skin from UV rays; and also the inner layer, or the ATB UV+, which deodorizes and fast drying when you wash it. And one thing about this is that you can adjust the straps. So, no need to worry kung masyado siyang malaki sa'yo or maliit. You can adjust it freely. And as you can see, medyo nag-i-struggle si ating maglagay. Nai-stress na ako. So, syempre, kailangan nakamask pa rin habang ina-attach ko yung necklace. Ayan, naisaksak ko na siya. Sa kabila naman. So, handa na ba kayo sa kabila? Ako hindi pa. Charing. Ayan. So, madali lang naman siyang ilagay, guys. And yan. Mahaba yung necklace so that hindi kayo mahirapan. At ayan, isusuot ko na siya finally. Actually, sobrang ganda nito. While doing this voiceover, I'm actually using the Breathe Sports Pro. So, rinig na rinig niyo ako, diba? Kaloka. So, as you can see, yan ang itsura niya na suot-suot ko. Very tight, very nifty, and also secured na secured siya. Along with the straps, hindi ako maabala, lalo na kung gusto ko siyang hubarin. So, yan o, ina-adjust ko siya para sa inyo. And as you can see, it doesn't tug on my ear, so hindi siya masakit suotin. So, ayan, suot-suot ko na siya, o diba? So, I can work freely and no problems. So, ito na ang true test dito sa vlog na to. Ito mong mask na to, kakayanin kaya niya na makasurvive na maglakad ako mula office ko, which is located near SM North, hanggang bahay namin. Let's see! Hey guys! Okay, so andito na ako sa neighborhood namin. Hindi ko na vlog wala sa office hanggang dito sa neighborhood namin kasi pagod na ako, ma. Pero here's the thing, compared with the medical grade mask, this one is more breathable. Hindi ako masyadong hiningal using this compared dun sa medical mask. Tsaka, nakikita nyo naman, te. Pawis ako, diba? Pag medical grade mask ang gamit ko, pawis talaga siya, as in basa. This one, barely noticeable. Ayan, basa. Pero, breathable pa rin siya. And, ang maganda sa kanya, since it has, the necklace, I can just take it off pag walang tao sa paligid. Pero, syempre, safe tayo. May tao kasi. Pero, syempre, I'm not saying don't use medical grade mask. It's just that it's not the kind of mask you would prefer if you're walking long distances or you're running. So I think this is a great mask if you're into sports, you walk really far, like I do, kasi malapit ako sa bahay namin, di ba? So, ito yung mask talaga for that. It's breathable, it's kahit basa, hindi halata, tsaka hindi masakit sa sa ilong, kasi di ba nagkakaamoy pag nababasa yung medical grade mask. But still, medical grade masks are better in terms of protecting you from the virus. Okay guys, malapit na ako sa bahay. So I'll give you guys my thoughts about the Breathe style. Tama ba? Breathe Sports Pro. Sorry naman, pagod na ako, di ba? What do I think about this? This is actually a great mask, especially if you're someone that does a lot of outdoor activities, or you like, you know, a mask na covered talaga. Like, this is very much covered. I like the design, and hindi halata yung pawis. Like, hello, pawis na ako. Oh, ayun oh. Pawis na ako, guys. And the cool thing about this is breathable pa rin siya kahit nabasa na siya ng pawis. And also the 3 functional layers that I mentioned earlier. What are the cons? Honestly, guys, eto, yung necklace. Para sa akin, it's a pro and a con at the same time. Kasi, paano kung ito, bigla mong, ayan, diba? Natanggal ko siya. So, paano kung hindi pala siya nakasukbit, laglag ang mask mo, wala din yung Syempre, this actually is not a replacement for a medical grade mask. I would still recommend the medical grade mask if hindi naman strenuous activity yung gagawin nyo. Pero kung ganito maglalakad kayo, huwag kayo mag-medical grade mask, guys. Not advisable. Okay? So, overall, what do I think about the Breathe Sports Pro face mask? I actually really like this. This is not my first pair actually. This is the tiny tan version. So kung fan kayo ng BTS, ayun oh, kitang kita. So parang may, kung Secret Army fan kayo, ayan, tiny tan. So yun lang. I will put other information on the description box where you can buy this. I actually got this from Gcash. Pinadala sa atin ng Gcash. Thank you, Gcash. So yun, pagod na ako, uwi na ako. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Share it to your friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I have to go now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.